Right then, I hope you're all doing well. What we're going to show you how to make this week is a cauliflower rice, the Leon Happy Curries, and then this is the 5 ways how to make cauliflower rice. And there's different formulas for this, so you can do it based upon the cuisine that you're going to cook with. So you can do an Indian one, you can do a Thai one, you can do an Asian, Japanese inspired by rice, and it's a very versatile dish. Other is the Indian one. So as a baseline, all you need is your fresh cauliflower, and make sure you use this within 3 days of purchasing because it will go off. It tends to go black. You can see here it's really nice and fresh. Neutral cooking oil, and what we're going to use here is a rapeseed oil. So in order to make this, we need the spices: mustard seed, cumin seeds, onion granules, turmeric, and make sure you use a product that's high in curcumin because that is actually the active ingredient with the beneficial properties. Crushed garlic here is some I prepared earlier. And then to finally serve this, we remove this and put it into a bowl. It smells absolutely amazing. And then to garnish, we can use a little bit of the coriander, just to give it some decoration, very popular in Indian cuisine. So here we have it, the Indian cauliflower rice. Very versatile, you can put a twist to this however you want. It'll also be very interesting to see what you've done with your cauliflower rice and any kind of variations that you've done. It's an absolutely fantastic dish, really healthy to cut back on carbs and introduce vegetables into your diet, especially under such times. Really hope you're enjoying the show. Don't forget to subscribe, lots of other videos to look at.